Okay, so this is the top hive, Chiquisa's hive. We have 2 brood boxes, and these 2 are honey boxes. So the first thing you do is you smoke it, and that calms them down. Just put a little bit of smoke in. Try not to itch too bad. I know, once your nose itches. That's the outer cover. You can see there are a bunch of bees hanging out up there.
Oh,
now,
yeah.
Let me smoke that a little bit more.
Yeah, because they're not that calm.
They are not wild or
Yeah, but they're, poor bees.
Okay, so they stick this together, so that's why you need hive tools. They get,
Who sticks them together?
the bees. They
Oh.
go to trees and get,
Oh.
sap.
Oh, my heavens to Betsy.
Okay, so there's a lot of bees there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this over here to the entrance and just leave it here. So they can just walk up if they want.
Oh, I'm glad I got this outfit on.
What's that?
I'm glad I got this outfit on.
Wow, that is really stuck together. Okay, so
Can't,
what?
let's face this way. Face it towards the,
Yeah, I'll put it on.
face it towards the hive.
All right, so it doesn't really look like there's much going on up here yet. Matter of fact, I don't really see anything. But this is the propolis right here. This is the sticky stuff that they use to stick stuff together. I just want to pull out one of these frames here and see what's going on. Oh, there's a bee stuck. Yeah, there's nothing going on in this hive.
Okay.
I mean in this upper box. So I'm going to
Okay.
take this box off. There's going to be a lot of bees down here.
I'm not going to get stung, am I?
You're not going to get stung. No, I don't think you're going to get stung. You've got a suit on.
Hi, bees.
Okay. Now, this is the honey box. I need to keep track of how much is in here. So we're going to give it a little bit of smoke here.
Do they like the smoke or not like the smoke?
It's supposed to calm them down. All right. Actually, if you can look right in here. First of all, you can just see, do you see all the bees?
Ooh, ooh.
And then do you see the white? The white stuff? The white stuff's honey.
No way.
All that is
No
honey.
freaking way.
So there, 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them.
No
all of them-
freaking way. Well,
all
it's
of
hard
them
to
have
see
honey.
with this
Okay,
video.
so-
Am I just taking it nonstop?
Yeah, just go ahead and just keep taking it.
Oh,
Now-
gosh.
Now, let's pull this one up and see how we're doing. This one had brood on it. This one had some. Are you hot yet?
No, because it's a beautiful day.
Well, that's why I wanted to do it today. That's why I wish. See, this one's warning me. This one's like, back off, sister.
Okay, here, give me the smoker. Jeez. Wait a minute.
Are you stuck? Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So that's fine. All right, so I just want to see what's going on here because it looks like a lot.
Watch out, bees. Come on.
Out of the way. See this nice little hook? It makes it easy to pick it up. Except for I'm just not a fan of gloves. But clearly I need to be. All right.
Okay. Holy Toledo, Batman. That's honey?
That's all capped honey right there. All that white stuff is honey.
No, they don't. They are not liking you. Here, give me the.
It's all right. It's all right. So I can't do this frame because this frame has some brood on it
How do you hold this?
by the bellows.
Oh, okay.
Amy, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. You don't need to do any more. Okay. That one's ready. That one's ready. Look at that. All honey. 100% honey.
Mm.
Here's another 100% honey.
What do you mean it's ready? For what?
Okay, so when they put it, they bring their pollen and the nectar back, and they put it in the cells, and then they use their wings to dry it out, to fan it and dry it out. Once it's dried to 18% humidity, they cap it with that white capping,
Yeah.
beeswax,
Which is all complete.
and that means it's done. It's
And then,
capped,
and
it's
then what do
done.
you do?
So I'm going to harvest this.
How do you harvest it?
Well, you have to get the bees out first, and then there's various methods. I'm going to borrow an extractor. So, I mean, seriously, we are
So
ready to
pick
go.
one like in the middle.
Yeah,
Like,
they tend. Please go. I'm going to pick number 5. I saw Chiquise on number 5 last week when I went in here. They're fanning. Do you hear the fan? You hear the fan? That sounds like little fans.
yeah. Yeah, that's done.
They are ready.
They are red tea.
They are ready to go.
Geez, there's a lot of... Okay, stop. Push that back. I want to look down in there.
Okay.
So then it's just underneath here is just the next level.
Lift it up.
Lift what up? This?
No, the video camera, so you can just look in. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, there's tons of bees in here and tons of honey everywhere.
This is.
Honey everywhere.
Okay, so this hive is ready to go, and remember, I fed some of that.
Do you think? Okay, well, stop. Let me ask you this, and then tell me that. So, every layer has.
Every layer has honey, but this is the only layer that you take from.
Why?
Because they need the honey to survive.
Okay.
To eat.
Okay.
So these 2 boxes are the surplus honey.
Okay.
You gonna spray me again?
Yeah, but then the top one didn't have enough.
The top one, there's nothing going on the top one, but I want to keep it there for just for extra room. But they are doing this is a great queen. Chiquise is an awesome queen. Okay, so we'll close this box up real quick. The only one I can't do is this one because it's got some broods.
Yeah, I see it.
You see that up here?
Yeah. Yeah, that's not quite. And down the bottom level right here.
Yeah, but it's really just because you don't want baby bees in your honey.
Yeah, well.
I mean, I don't.
Watch out, bees.
All right, girls, we're going in. All right, so we're going in. We're closing you up. You're good to go.
And then we're done.
And I want to feed this one real quick, and you can see that and then stop.
Okay.
Okay, so then I put this one on. So there's really... Oh, I got this upside down. I have this upside down. I hope the queen isn't there. Okay, close you on up. Okay, now you can stop this one and then we'll go to the next one.